Bitcoin market is starting to look really interesting with the recent price movement close to $30,000. A lot of people are saying we have some kind of a bullish vibes, and there are multiple articles on Cointelegraph, the blog, and other venues talking about how this might indicate that we're entering more of the bullish phase. Of course, nothing here will be financial advice. I'm going to analyze what's currently on the market, why it might happen, and what's going on. So as you can see, the price right now on TradingView is pretty much growing with close to $30,000 for Bitcoin. And then you have multiple people on Twitter saying this might be a bull market, the GM is bullish, GM, and Donald here is giving an explanation which might be very interesting. As you remember, there was this fake news about ETF being approved a couple of days ago. It made a quick run up and then fall down when it turned out it was a fake news, but it also showed how people are sidelined and waiting for this kind of position and for this kind of event to really happen. So a lot of people might decide that after they don't want to wait any longer, just want to jump in because this kind of ETF approval event that might happen in the next couple of months, this is at least the speculation here, will be super bullish both for Bitcoin as well as for Ethereum and all the major coins. But we're talking mostly Bitcoin here, which is the number one. And you can see that this is really going up here. Very, very interesting stuff. If you go to Cointelegraph, you can see that they have an article about Bitcoin ICE 30%. XRP is also jumping 6% after Ripple's legal victory. So this is also pretty interesting. Hawkish Fed's Powell face to then BTC price. So this is the title here, and basically people are looking to the tightening, to changing the rates, but basically that might not influence the price of Bitcoin, and the reason for that is already all that was priced in before. So if there's any kind of a movement into the direction of being actually easier on the currencies, easier on the credit market, then basically it will also might cause crypto to go up, and this is also pretty big. So this is the reason here. Cointelegraph is also retweeting, writing about the tweets from credible crypto, and basically which shows different kind of charts of crypto basically being already reached the bottom and basically going up, with Bitcoin going pretty much to 30,000 and above. Of course, again, this is just a prediction. You shouldn't just follow one or couple of people, even though the vibes are bullish. People are bullish when the price is going up and people are bearish when the price is going down. This is something you have to remember, so that when the price if the price would fall to 25,000, then a lot of people would be bearish and they would say that it will go to 20,000 or 12,000. But right now, if the price really reaches 30,000 and above, they will be telling about the incoming bull market. What you have to remember, and this is my opinion, is that we are still on the macro scale. We're in a very uncertain times. So Fed is still pretty tight on the regulations, on the entire market. They're not going to print a lot of money, or they're going to print, but they also will keep getting the credit really hard. And looking at the macro world right now, there's a lot of uncertainties regarding different conflicts around the world. So that really isn't very optimistic for the economy, even though Bitcoin is a really great value proposal for next to gold, and we can truly believe in that. This is something also that people from different hedge funds were saying over the past couple of days. This was also pretty bullish. So if you go to the blog, they have also article about how a Morgan Stanley director suggests crypto winter might be coming to an end. Also with the crypto, with the Bitcoin eyeing $30,000 per price. And there was also Larry Fink talking and comparing Bitcoin to gold and other hard assets, which is also great indication of the fact that basically Bitcoin has entered the mainstream, and most of the hedge fund managers and all the investment managers are thinking about Bitcoin as some kind of a hedge on all the other assets, which is very interesting and good news, because this means that if they keep adding those positions to their investments, this will really push the price of Bitcoin much higher, even despite the global turmoil, the global uncertainty. I don't know where the price will be in the end. No one knows. So it all depends on different ingredients here, but definitely this is a very bullish morning here, 20th of October. So if you want to know more about what's coming in the next days in crypto, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.